Hi guys! So, welcome to our channel! This is the second part of our dish. Remember we did the mashed potato? So, this is our main dish I'm making. So, I fried, or should I say sauteed some onion. And I used the beef drippings that I got when I was making the burger. So see, there's some beef drippings over there. That's gonna flavor the onions as well. It's gonna add to the flavor of the sauce. So while that's cooking, let me show you what's happening over here. I bought this from the Korean store. It's a dried shiitake mushroom. Yeah, it's called shirikiku. And I opened it and got half of it and having it soak over here, because we're gonna add it to our Salisbury gravy. So it's I'm making a Salisbury steak with onion and mushroom slurry or gravy, kasi that is what Edwin requested. So now I'm adding the mushroom. You can use any kind of mushroom. You can use fresh button mushroom as well. I just happen to have this, so I thought I was gonna use it. And then I'm gonna add my beef cubes. Remember the water that I soaked the mushroom in? I'm gonna add it now to the mixture. Yeah, that's full of flavor. Wow. You can also use a beef stock to make it a little bit more richer in flavor. There you go. Beef cube will melt. Put your stove or heat on medium so it won't be dried up, because you really want that sauce. You can add a little bit of at a time of water, not too much, so that you won't lose the taste. Add a little bit of salt. And pepper. Depends on your taste. We love pepper, so I'm gonna put in a lot of pepper. Let it simmer. Gets better than that. We're gonna add in this much of butter in our mixture to make it more tastier. There she goes. And, diba? Parang malasa siya. Remember when you're eating Salisbury steak, diba? Sarap-sarap niya. And creamy siya. gonna add in some Worcestershire sauce to deepen the flavor. Yan. Huwag masyadong madami agad. Tikman nyo rin muna. So, stir lang natin. Yan. There you go. Siyempre, kaya may ganyan dyan eh. Oh, this is your tasting spoon. Tikman natin. It's getting there. Next is a squirt or two of tomato ketchup. There you go, guys. Squirt, squirt. 3, 4. And then we're gonna make a slurry, cornstarch slurry, to make our mixture a little bit thicker. Okay, this is like 2.5 of this tablespoon. And of course, it's gonna be 1:1 ratio with water. The mixture slowly. Oh. Then I'm gonna mix to see how thick it's gonna be. So just continue stirring it until it becomes thicker, you know. There, it's becoming thicker now. Remember, put your heat on a little bit of low side. You don't want to have it burn. So there you go. It's still boiling, see? There you go. This is your gravy for your Salisbury steak. Look at it, guys. It's starting to thicken. Yum, yum. Sarap. Now all we need is the patty. And we're gonna be seeing you guys next time for the 3rd episode. Ayan. Sarap niyan. Tignan natin kung kailangan pang i-adjust ang taste. Ang sarap. Yummy. Guys, make na this. Sarap-sarap. Perfect gravy for your Salisbury steak and your mashed potato. There you go, guys. Tapos na, and it's so thick and creamy. There you go. Sarap-sarap. And I'm gonna transfer it to my gravy boat. Remember, I bought a gravy boat, so it can be easily poured on your mashed potato or your Salisbury steak. I scooped some mashed potato for Edwin to taste. Yeah, there's like 3 scoops. And then we'll have him try the gravy and see what he thinks. Oops. Patikim natin sa kanya. Ano lasa? Bagay, no? Nalasa na siya yung mashed potato. Tapos yung gravy. Sarap. Diba? Do you want, sprinkle of, mga herbs? Hindi na. Tika na. Yummy. Pwede na. So, thank you guys and see you again next time.